Kaya talaga hindi ako nagdala ng jacket bed kasi may free blanket. Thank you.
Better than airport. There's nothing.
Let's go Baguio. Baby.
Ito yung menu nila. Combo meal. I think may chicken, rice, tsaka side dish na to na gulay. We have family size.
Butter chicken, 200 pesos. Fried rice, I don't know pesos. What's this, babe? Molo soup, 200 pesos. Bon appetit. Let's go.
Close up naman na.
Yung breakfast yung pagpagdaanan natin dito yung second breakfast. Sino yun? Actually siya. Receipt under your name, while waiting sa receipt, mag-discuss na lang yung total policy natin. Kali ito yung magiging naman ng rules natin. Our rules are not so...
Wow, so cool.
pwede nyo pong gamitin. Pati yung mga nasa second floor, ito may stairs naman ito. Sa second floor, sa may cafe. Bali, kunin nyo muna yung stop sa FO, tapos diretso po kayo.
Sige po. Thank you. Let's check. Let's go check the room. Pwede na.
Malaki yung room.
Not bad. Not bad.
Kulang lang sila sa plants. Yeah, super.
17 seconds. Good morning. Day 2 of our Baguio trip. Today, try natin mag botanical garden and independent. Kakain tayo sa farmer's daughter.
Farmer's daughter.
Yes. Yan. Right now, bababa muna kami to try their breakfast. And yun, diretso na tayo sa botanical garden. Let's go. I don't know, pero itsurang dyan yung kain. Tama ba ako? Can you check? Jeep or taxi?
Hindi ko taxi guys.
Pag jeep
Doon
daw,
nakita ko yung land bank. Kasi yung ano.
taxi it is. Tanungin mo muna.
Botanical garden.
Thank you.
Tanong taxi na.
Tama ba binabaan natin? And we're here. I think 100 pesos.
Yeah, so may increase sila na
Increase na
15
daw.
pesos.
Okay lang. You know, bilis lang. Save you from the hassle. Mag-taxi na lang kayo. And yeah. Let's check. Ano ba meron dito?
Si tatay ko po. Gusto ko lang idea.
Sure step. Five minutes in. Ganda, no? Yeah. If you are into plants or, you know, kahit hindi naman, may enjoy mo yung ano, vibe and ganda ng lugar. So, I think we'll be here for 3 hours or 2. Yeah. Damn creepy, I don't want to go. And kamusta?
Maganda yung mga plants. Pero pag feeling ko, pag ibaba mo siya sa menu, mamamatay siya. 3 weeks dahil sa pollution.
Yeah.
May mga halaman dito na minsan mo lang makita.
For 100 pesos. Sulit pa.
Sulit siya.
Okay, that wraps up our botanical garden experience. And maghanap tayo ng taxi. Pupunta tayo ng Tamaawan or Farmer's Daughter. Let's go. Yeah, we took another taxi kasi hindi kami marunong mag-commute. Yeah. Time check 10:30, sabi mahaba daw yung pila din palagi. So, I think it's better to go there early. And yeah, we're gonna try Farmer's Daughter. Kano kaya yung abot nila sa taxi. We'll see. And we just arrived. Hey. Guys, we paid $250 for the taxi from Botanical
Down to Tamaawan.
Tamaawan.
Tamaawan din.
Medyo pricey pero okay lang. Like,
Yeah, it's the traffic.
considering na hindi kami marunong mag-commute and kailangan natin makapunta dito like ng mabilis. Tapos pangwalo kami sa pila. Not bad, di ba? $250. And then for sure, pabalik namin kung mag-taxi man kami din na yung $250. Malayo lang talaga yung Botanical. Yeah. Malapit na ako. Pinuneg. Siyempre gulay, pako-pako. And kinuday na baboy and kinuday na chicken. Hey,
The dessert.
Oh. I don't know if you can hear me guys, pero yeah, like now, just in case. And we're gonna try. Here. Aroma pa lang, no? Parang masabi mo na masarap. Okay. Let's try pork. Yeah. Let's try their pork. Blood. Pork blood. Sausage. Hindi malangsa. May aftertaste yung pork sausage. Sa una, okay, pero gusto ko yung aftertaste. You tried na. Let's try the pork. Let's try the pork. Kinuday. Pork kinuday. Dahil nga smoke siya, medyo aftertaste talaga, no? Pag na
Aftertaste.
yeah. Pag nanguya mo na siya, tsaka mo na yung mapipil yung smoky flavor ka.
This is pork, no?
Let's try chicken.
Sabaw siya.
Sarap. Hi guys. Check out day 3, Sunday. Go. Check out namin. We're about to
Back to reality.
yeah, we'll have our lunch at Luisa's Cafe, one of the famous spots dito, Chinese cuisines. And yeah, unfortunately yesterday naiwan ko to dito sa hotel, pero ayos lang. Next time hindi ko nakunan yung mga ibang pinuntahan namin, pero yeah, enjoy for 2,000 per night. Okay naman.
Room, clean, mabango, sobrang bango guys. Mas mabango pa sa Shangri-La, sa Okada, I tell you.
Yeah. Mabango nga dito. And, tahimik. And very accessible sa, lahat ng puntahan dito sa Baguio. And yeah, alis na kami. Kita-kita tayo sa Luisa's Cafe.
Opo. Yes. Wala pa. Guys, this is the deluxe 2x2. Nag-expect ako. Kala ko more leg room. With free blanket, but no. Wala siya, wala. Wala. Apparently this guy is okay with it.